Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's mission is catching some bluegills to cook up. So that's my main thing. Just gonna throw that. Of course, it's so hard not to throw either Texas rig or top water for bass. But I got my friend Oscar over here in the background. He's setting up his rods. We're gonna set him first on some bass. I'm not gonna cast for bass until he catches one. Once he does, then I'll end up throwing my bass rigs. I did bring my saltwater rig for bluegills. I got the old-fashioned stringer, the metal stringer, and I'm gonna fill it up with bluegills. We got some live worms and a bobber, and this little bridge is the first victim. So hopefully we'll catch some big old bluegills to cook up. And if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and let's get on fishing. Alright guys, well, it's been about 45 minutes and we haven't caught anything. This part of the river is pretty small, so what we're focusing on is grass points, rock points. Big old rocks have the grass around it, so I'm gonna say rock, and then grass, of course, those over there. So what I'm trying to teach Oscar is find those areas and make a point. Go straight ahead, right in the middle. Right there. And on the right hand side, that middle lane also. So we can see those points right on top of his head. There's a point right there, and there's another one coming on the other side. There you go. Hey, slow it down, boy. You're going fast right there. So right here on that little grass edge, there's something there. I'm gonna throw our little bobber. Let's see what's fighting there. I took the bait twice. Whole mission here is bluegill. Caught a catfish though. I'll take a catfish too. We're about to get hit by the hurricane. Oh, it may be a gar. I just saw a gar come up. Right around there. Oh, I never caught a gar in warm. It's a little gar. The little bobber's weight is like that's pretty far. No weight on the hook though. I hit it right there. Oh, that was a good hit. There it is. Whoa, what is it? Oh, it's running this way. Oh, hell yeah. A catfish. We were talking about a catfish. Hell yeah, guys. Look at that. Check him out. It's so cool. The little worm, little jake hook, size 4. That's it. That's all you need. A little fun. Still waiting on my friend over there to catch something, bass. Once he does, then I can start bass fishing. But for now, little catfish will do. Main goal is bluegill though. Alright. I'm ready. You ready? You're on the kayak. We'll stop in the other little hole right there. Not expecting a catfish, but I'll take a catfish any day. Oh, there's another one. What is it? Another catfish. Dude, look at that. I think we're keeping this one. Oh yeah, this is a bigger one. Check that out, guys. Here's so cool. And cook them or what? I want to cook them. Yeah, the whole theme is cooking bluegill. So I mean, I'll take a catfish. Catfish is good for you. Check that out, guys. It's so cool. That little catfish. It's about 10 inches. I'll let this one go. We may catch a bigger one. Huh? That's two back to back. What the hell? That's so cool. See, we can catch another on the same spot. Very nice little school catfish there. Same spot. Yeah, maybe that's what we've been seeing that comes up, Foster. Huh? Maybe that's what we've been seeing that comes up.
Yeah.
A little catfish. Whoa, there's another one. Dude, no freaking way. That's 3. Same size, dude. It's so fun. I can stay here all day. Oh, same size. This is a little bit smaller than the first one. Oh my god. So cool. Alright, we're gonna release them. Another little one. All you're doing is letting it float. Once it gets to, oh, I didn't even get to that point. You're hitting it already. And again. There's another one. Oh, this is a better one. Oh yeah, we're keeping this one, boy. Oh yeah. This one now? This one's better. We're keeping this one. Oh yeah. I don't know how many are holding up there, but this will keep. Pull out the good old chain. Alright guys, that was the third one in a row, I think. Try it again. Same spot. Catch another one that size. Woo! Be awesome.
A few moments later.
I didn't take the camera with me. He ate the bobber. Look where the little hook is. It's all bent. Look at that. It's like a, I don't know, 17-inch, 2.5 pound bass. That is crazy. Little thing is all bent out of shape. They're out there, Oscar. Check that out, dude. And the little bobber. Oh my god, this is so cool. With the deep stuff. Oh, he was ready. I'm gonna walk over here where he caught that bass. Try to recreate that. Oh no. That was just right there. That's all I did. Give it a little twitch. And on the little twitch, he hit the bobber. It's crazy. Ooh, it's heating up, boys. It's heating up. Come now. Oh, something's moving it now. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Another catfish. There's another catfish. This little hole. Another small one though. Man, look at that belly on it. Look at that belly on that catfish. Sheesh. Let this baby go. Alright, update. Ooh, he hasn't caught a bass. He's lost 3 and caught a small bluegill and about 6 catfish and a big bass. So I'm gonna head on to this stretch. This is the place that has a lot of lily pads, so I'm hoping for some bluegill. So stay tuned. Wish me luck, because it's 11 o'clock already. We're toasting. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, nature at its best. Alright, pole going on. Are we gonna get rained on? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Comment now. Yes?
Yes or no?
Moving this way, I am saying no. You say yes, I say no.
Oh, fuck.
It got dark, alright. It goes again. It said till 5, it's 12.
A few moments later.
Those are some big old drops, boy. Big old drop. We're gonna get wet here. Oh, and it's cold. Ah! Put up the camera because it's not waterproof right now. Yeah, buddy! We're back, guys. Well, guys, check this out. A nice about 18 and a half, 19-inch smallie. That's about 3 pounds. First cast on a crankbait right there off of that little, those 2 bushes right there, right down the middle. And he smacked it. I mean, smacked it. Check him out. Beautiful Texas smallie. Love it. I'll let her go. Right here in between the kayaks. Feisty. Look at that. Where's she going? Alright, guys. So, we got this beautiful fish. One of the few fish that we caught on live worm. Beautiful fish. Looks like an Oscar. Check that out. Look at the eyes. He's just like, oh. Well, we let it go. I didn't want to squeeze it that hard, but I mean, it happened. But we're gonna leave because it's drenching. We are drenched, and we still got about an hour walk upriver. So, thank you again. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.